Hi, I just found you the most affordable apartment in Lekki Phase 1. Trust me, it is the most affordable apartment here in Lekki Phase 1, just right behind Prime Waters. Right here, we have 2-bedroom apartments and 3-bedroom apartments with BQ selling for 75 and 95 million respectively. Trust me, you can never find this deal anywhere else in Lekki Phase 1.
So the Peridot is a gemstone. Peridot's a gemstone.
Okay.
And we've decided to call our properties after gemstones because we are planting gems around Lagos.
Wow,
Yes.
that is actually... Hi, my name is Adiola Sanusi, the best real estate expert in Africa, bringing you the best deals in Lagos, Nigeria. Right here, we are at the Peridot in Lekki Phase 1. It is a new project, a new off-plan project, just right behind Prime Waters at Lekki Phase 1 off Freedom Way. And the most interesting part is right now, I am currently with the brains behind this project. Her name is Mrs. Chinelo Bali. Thank you very much for having us.
Thanks for being here.
So first thing is, what exactly, can you give us more information about your background in real estate?
Yeah, I mean, I come from a family of real estate, to be honest. We've started real estate right from the UK. My family was hugely involved in the development of Milton Keynes when it was a new development. Wow. Yeah, so naturally I've fallen into the line.
Wow, that's good. That's interesting. And so what exactly are we going to be expecting at Peridot here in Lekki?
You're going to be expecting quality, affordability, a good standard of living, attention to detail, and safety.
And safety.
Yes.
So in terms of safety, what exactly are the measures that are being put in place to ensure this?
I mean, with regards to the integrity of the building, we have done several testing. Okay. You know, foundation, power cap testing, non-destructive tests, just to make sure that we are happy, we're satisfied with the integrity of the building itself. I mean, you're aware of all the building collapses that have been happening in Lagos recently, and that's something that we want to avoid at all costs. So we're not scrimping on the integrity of the building itself.
Oh wow, oh wow. And concerning the demolition of houses, so what are the type of approvals you've gotten for this project?
I mean,
just to ensure we don't...
Building approvals, the land itself is it's got a government consent on it. Yeah, we have we have all the approvals that we need to proceed with
so there's also a building approved?
Yes, we have a building approval
as well. Okay, yes. That's actually good. So Mrs. Bali, what exactly can you say inspired this project?
I mean, the real estate space in Nigeria is a growing industry. You know, many exciting things are happening within the real estate space, within the property development space. And we love Nigeria. We really love, we really, as a family, we really love Nigeria. Yeah. So we really definitely wanted to get our fingers in there. And so for this project, what has really inspired it is I want to give affordable luxury. Okay. You know, to create luxury that is affordable for people in a great area. I mean, this is a very desirable area. It's a fantastic location.
I think that actually informed those prices, because I think right now that's actually the most affordable you can find in...
Yes, I mean, everyone who comes here is like, oh my gosh, at these prices in this area, you know, and to the standards that you're building. Yeah, so it is definitely something that we're in line with what our vision is, which is to to provide affordable luxury. The area is fantastic. So many new projects going on around here, you know, and it's like the area is getting a facelift. And it's a fantastic location, very accessible, you know. So
how many units are we looking out for? Yeah.
So there are going to be 22 units here. Okay. You know, we have 3 bedrooms and 2 bedrooms available. The 3 bedrooms come with a BQ. There's going to be we're going to have, I mean, clean water, which is very important. We've invested in a very robust water treatment plant. Okay. You know, to make sure that we've got good water. Electricity 24/7. Just giving people a good standard of living that they deserve.
Okay. Okay, that's actually awesome. Then in terms of, I think you said there's going to be a fully equipped gym as well?
Yes, sorry, I didn't mention that. There's going to be a fully equipped gym as well.
Payment flexibility.
Yes.
So how exactly does that work for the 2 and 3 bedroom?
So for the 2 and 3 bedrooms, we're looking for a 30% deposit, and then the rest of the payment is spread over quarterly over the lifespan of the project.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Will that be as an interest or interest free?
Interest free.
Oh wow.
Interest free.
For real?
Yes.
Guys, you're going to be keen into this project with a minimum of 30% deposit, and you can actually spread balance for up to 12 months without interest. Like that's actually a very big deal. You most likely will not find it anywhere else. Yeah, trust me. Yeah. So, do you have any previously completed project as well?
So as Dembali, this is our first independent project,
Okay.
but we have partnered with other companies in the past to
Okay.
to do projects. But this is our first independent project.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
But you have like other partnerships that you've
Oh
done,
yes, yes,
and
yeah,
you
yeah.
know, so some people are already living in those estates right now.
Exactly,
Okay.
exactly.
Okay.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
actually
We're
awesome
very
as well.
experienced in the field. I mean,
Yeah.
right from the UK
So,
down
like,
here as
how
well.
many years now do you think you can say you have like combined work years of experience?
Oh, over 10 years.
Over 10
Over
years.
10 years.
Wow,
Yeah, yeah.
that's interesting. So, lastly, for me, yeah, from the financial perspective, like, what exactly will you advise someone to invest in this project or any other project at all in Nigeria?
I mean, the property market in Nigeria is booming. You
Mm-hmm.
know, it's really really growing. So it's a good investment. You know, but obviously location is key, and
Mm-hmm.
being strategic about your investment is key,
Mm-hmm.
and that's why the Peridot offers a great opportunity for investment for those in Nigeria, those outside of Nigeria. It's a fantastic location for something like an Airbnb. It's a fantastic location for a young family. It's just a really good investment. It's going to really give you returns. You'll expect great returns. In fact, before the building is finished, even you can start expecting good returns on your investment if you decide to sell at that point. So again, the time you choose to key into a project is obviously very important. You know, at this point, we're
Mm-hmm.
selling for 75 for the 2 bedrooms, 95 for the 3 bedrooms.
Yeah.
You know, so if someone keys in at this point, you know, by the time it's gotten to we're done with the carcass, they can give themselves a good profit on that if they decide to sell.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So.
That's actually very good. So you've actually heard it all from the brains behind this lovely project here at Lekki Phase 1. You can actually decide to key in into a 2 or a 3 bedroom apartment here with BQ and a fully equipped gym. You're going to be having 24/7 electricity. You're going to be having clean water, as they've actually invested in a robust water treatment facility right here in Lekki Phase 1. This particular estate, this particular location is very, very strategic. You will most likely not find a project selling for this same amount in this axis. Trust me, you won't. In terms of affordability, in terms of flexibility, this is definitely the project for you. With 30% initial deposit, you can key in into a 2 or 3 bedroom selling for 75 and 95 million respectively. Ensure you send me a DM or call the number on your screen so you can key into any of all these units in this project. We have 22 units that we're currently building here. So many units are already gone. We have just a few units left, and you definitely will not want to miss out on this deal. Prices are actually going to be increasing pretty soon because, you know, as you know, it prices of cost of materials are actually increasing. Inflationary pressure is also increasing. So definitely you want to key in into this project before those price increase are being effected. Ensure you dial my number, call me, and we can get you a very good deal here. I remain Adiola Sanusi, the best real estate expert in Africa, bringing you the best deals in Lagos, Nigeria. Thank you very much. God bless you.